Can someone breach restrictive covenants for me in employment law? I'm Richard Hiron, also known as the Hironator, and I'm an employment law solicitor. Now, the answer to this is going to be most likely not. The reason for this is that a lot of restrictive covenants have a clause in there that say that they apply whether something happens directly or indirectly. So directly is when you do something. So if you go out there to try and take your employer's clients and customers or their employees, and then indirectly applies if somebody else is doing it. So if you went to a new employer of yours during the lifetime of those restrictive covenants and said to that new employer of yours, I don't want to do this directly, but my former employer has a very good client that I think you'd like, then you're essentially indirectly saying to your new employer, go and poach that client that belongs to my former employer. So that's directly and indirectly. So in other words, it's likely that you will not be able to allow someone else to breach the restrictive covenants for you, whether those restrictive covenants are in your contract of employment or in a settlement agreement. However, I hope that's answered the question. In the meantime, if you're finding a settlement agreement hard, bring it to Richard.